Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate your WooCommerce store with eBay. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that you're using. If you're using WordPress, go to wordpress.com and from here go ahead and open up your store. If you have not already set up your store, using the plugins section at the left side of the screen, you can find all the plugins that you can go ahead and use for creating your WooCommerce store. So once you've done that, now we can go ahead and go to the official WooCommerce website. Go to WooCommerce.com and then from here you're going to open up the extensions menu at the top of the screen. That's going to open up this extensions marketplace where we can find all the extensions we can use for our WooCommerce store. And we are going to go and be using this search bar right here in the upper right corner. That's going to enable us to go and search for eBay. So search for eBay, and as you can see, the first result you're going to be seeing is the eBay integration. You also have the eBay product importer and affiliate, but this is the one we are looking for. That's going to go ahead and enable you to sell smarter with eBay integration for WooCommerce to seamlessly automate, list, and sell on eBay marketplace from your WooCommerce store. So if you're interested into adding this to your WooCommerce store, you can click the buy now option right here, and by clicking buy now it's going to enable you to go and install the extension. Once you have installed it, you can go ahead and follow it step by step after opening it up, and it's going to show you how to go ahead and integrate it with the WooCommerce store that you have set up on WordPress, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.